Healthcare workers employed under the Universal Healthcare Program in Murang'a County have threatened to continue with their go-slow if their concerns are not addressed. The health workers have expressed dissatisfaction with their working conditions, including poor pay and the lack of permanent employment status. These and other stories in our county news roundup.
The Universal Healthcare Workers, led by the National Chair of Kenya National Union of Nurses and Midwives, Joseph Ngwasi, staged a peaceful protest in Murang'a town, highlighting their grievances and dissatisfaction with their current working conditions.
These health workers are working the same terms with the other health workers in the hospital, but they are being paid a quarter of all what other health workers are being paid.
Be assured, serikali kuu wakati tunakutana kama CUG, sisi we shall do that which we need to do, which is hiyo maneno yenu.
In Kajiado County, residents of the remote Elangata and Kima village in Kajiado South can now breathe a sigh of relief after their local hospital received a new ambulance to respond to medical emergencies in the area. The newly acquired ambulance was donated to the county health department by the Korea International Cooperation Agency.
Sasa tumekuwa na shida sana when it comes to evacuation. Tukipata emergency, unapiga simu Loitoktok, unaomba ambulance, unaambiwa ambulance imeenda Kenyatta. Sometimes you'll wait for more than 8 hours in your ambulance itoke Kenyatta ikuje.
And Masinde Muliro University of Science and Technology, through the Department of Optometry and Visual Science, has spearheaded an eye screening initiative for the students, the university staff and locals in the area, with an aim of early diagnosis and treatment of preventable blindness.
Many patients have benefited from the services offered by the department, including prescription of spectacles, which is part of managing refractive errors.
Still in Kakamega County, businesses were temporarily disrupted in Kakamega Central Market following a confrontation between two rival groups that clashed over the sale of illicit brews within the market. Meanwhile, a Lego Usonga Member of Parliament Samuel Atandi, who is also the chairman of the National Assembly's Budget and Appropriations Committee, has committed to advocating for equitable distribution of resources and development in all constituencies.
I am well aware of the inequality in sharing of national resources, the damage that has caused to the welfare and dignity of our country. And therefore, I'm not going to leave any stone unturned in ensuring that all parts of the country benefit from public resources.
In Busia County, a section of the elderly persons in Butla Sub-County has called on the government to speed up the construction of Marachi Cultural Center, which has taken over 2 years to be completed. The elders say the delay is jeopardizing the preservation of the Marachi culture and hindering economic opportunities in the region.
Hii nyumba imekaa kwa muda kidogo ijamalizika, na vile hata naona inavyoendelea haijawekwa katika njia ambayo inatakikana. Tumewahi weka complaint lakini hatujawahi pata majibu.
Tunataka hii nyumba iishe kwa sababu tuna activities ambazo zinatakana tufanyika hapa. Sasa kama hii nyumba haijaisha, sasa hizo activities zinaenda area nyingine, hasikuja hapa.
Martini Maslin for Prime Edition.